In a moment, we will begin our Captain Carbonex video that was filmed in 1998. Since then, Carbonex has been rebranded and is now called Viper Bright. Viper Bright is a non-acid alkaline coil cleaner and brightener. It is one product in a new line of Viper coil cleaners offered by Refrigeration Technologies. Viper HD is a non-toxic, neutral pH cleaner and degreaser having exceptional cleaning performance. It is a concentrate that produces no odors, no burning or irritation, and can be used through our foam gun. Viper HD is also available as a ready-to-use aerosol. You'll be very impressed by the penetrating cleaning action of this product. No odor, no toxicity, no burning or irritation. Condenser coils only require a light water rinse, and there's no need to rinse this product when used on evaporator coils. Viper E Plus is absolutely the best non-rinsing evaporator coil cleaner you will ever use. Just spray on and let the condensate do the rinsing. Viper E Plus is completely safe and produces no odors. It is fortified with enzymes to prolong the cleaning action and eliminate all indoor coil odors. Viper EcoSolve is a totally new degreasing solvent based on soybean oil derivatives. It's powerful enough to dissolve the rubber off a tire, yet mild enough to wash your hands. All our Viper cleaning products are NSF registered for use in food facilities. In addition, Refrigeration Technologies has been awarded the EPA's highest level of achievement, Champion, in the Design for the Environment program for all its cleaning products. There is only one name you need to remember when it comes to equipment cleaning: Viper. Now, please invite all your fellow service technicians to watch our classic video presentation, Captain Carbonex.
Any luck finding our slow leak problem? It's getting awfully warm, and my husband is due home soon. If you can finish in the next few minutes, I sure could use some cooling off. Better not take much longer, handsome.
We'll return to our lovebirds in just a few minutes. Meanwhile, let us show you the fastest, easiest ever coil washing method. The system consists of a lightweight foam gun, combined with the most powerful non-acid detergent solution you can buy. All components of the gun easily snap on and off. The Carbonex solution is a concentrated alkaline cleanser, 100% biodegradable, USDA and Canadian WHMIS approved. Add the solution directly to the canister. No mixing or pre-dilution is necessary. This gun is now loaded with enough Carbonex solution to fully clean at least 5-ton condenser coils. Connection to a garden hose having ordinary water pressure is all you need. No pumping or priming. No heavy equipment to lug around. Application is very fast and easy. After just a few minutes, the foam solution will begin to expand an additional 150%. Dirt, grease, grime, and hard oxidation will be pushed out of the coil body by the aggressive release of carbon dioxide bubbling. The Carbonex foam cleaning process outperforms all other coil cleaning solutions. With the Carbonex gun, you can choose from 3 different rinsing options. Simply disengage the pistol grip and hose down. Or snap off the foam wand, place the metering stem in the horizontal position for a penetrating high-pressure blast. This coil has delicate fins, which require a more gentle spray. Place the lever in the horizontal position to stop chemical siphoning. The coil is now being rinsed with a mix of air and water, similar to a shower massage. No chance of bending coil fins with this technique. The foam funnel will amplify the penetrating power of your foam gun. The funnel has a soft flange face and is spring-loaded for tension. Slip fit the funnel over the foam wand. Place against the coil and begin injecting foam. The foam drives over, under, around, and behind the coil tubing where most dirt becomes embedded. Never use expensive high-pressure washers again. With the foam funnel, you can completely flush slab or multi-row coils up to 10 inches in depth. The foam funnel gets the job done. The X-wand is a modular ball and socket hose. Totally hand adjustable. Form any configuration you need. Snap apart to shorten or lengthen. The X-wand is leak-proof. Even those hard-to-reach evap coils can now be thoroughly cleaned. The flat fan nozzle delivers a strong, penetrating spray. Tackle any coil clean job with the versatile Carbonex system.
My equipment works better than ever. No one has ever cleaned my coil like you did. Will the company send you back when it's time to change my filter? Oh, look! There's my neighbor, Rachel. Hi, Rachel. You know, if you have time, I know that Rachel would love to have her equipment serviced.
Boom, boom.